Okay, I'm gonna try to make a short video the way Keith does it. Jeep Grand Cherokee. Pause it if you want to. Grand Cherokee. We got a crank no start. See if you can hear it. We got the skim on. We got the cell on. But I plug in my favorite. It doesn't turn on. That means I got no power, right? Well, that's what we think. Let's hook up our test light. Make sure it works. Random fuses. Yeah, whatever. Let's go for pin 16. Hey, wait. Pin 16, which I can't see with my holding the camera. Pin 16's got power. Well, that's kind of strange. How do I have no thing? Oh, wait, you need power and ground. Well, just for the hell of it, let's probe the grounds. Hey, wait a minute. The grounds have power. Why do my grounds have power? Is the computer going to work if your grounds have power? Let's go check the battery. These cars are old. Like I said, it's a 2000. Oh, this is all hooked up. This is all hooked up. Where's this wire go? Oh, look, it go. Hey, wait a minute. Shouldn't this be hooked onto something? Hey, wait. DeFazio, this one's for you. All right, let's see if I fixed it. Little brake clean. Bolt it back down, all the grounds. Hook the battery back up. Oh, look. Scan tool works now. I realize this is a little joke scan tool, but it's really great for crank no starts. It'll power up and it'll show RPM. Obviously I have a ton of other scan tools, not just that. But anyway, turn it on. You'll notice now that the skim mill and the check engine light both prove out. If you review the video, you see before they were stuck on. You'll also see now we have cranking RPM, and the car's going to start right up. Let me turn these lights on so you can see the. Oh, I don't know how to turn the lights on. Anyway, 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, look at that. Amazing. Power and ground. Makes all the computers work. That's all I got. From Maui, 9676.